Hi students, in this short video I want to teach you how to do multiplication of two-digit number. Okay, so this one is just I hope you know the basic of multiplication of one-digit number, and then uh, you will see it is just like Lego. Like Lego, we build the multiplication of two-digit number from multiplication of one-digit number. Okay, so let me show you one example. So this one is, for example, 365 times 24. So please remember uh, this 2 and 4, right? This 2 over here is in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So we know 24 is just 20 plus 4. Yeah, so you have the tens and the ones. You see, 20 plus 4. So we break down this 24 into 2. Yeah, 20 and 4. So what we need to do is 365 times with 4. So we multiply with the ones first. And then the second part is the 365 times with 2. But remember, the 2 over here is in the tens place. So this one is 20. So I just write down the 0 with different colors so that you later you just see it. Okay, so now let's do the multiplication. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20. You have 2 carry over here. 4 times 6 is 24 plus the 2 become 26. We have the 2 here. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus the 2 is 14. Okay, now let's do the multiplication here. The second multiplication. So 2 times 5 is 10. We have 1 carry over here. 12. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, you have 1 carry over here. 2 times 3 is 6 plus the 1 carry over become 7. And then don't forget we have the 0 over here, right? So we just write down the 0 here. Now, so what to do here, you see, we have solved the multiplication of one digit, right? Multiplication of one digit, multiplication of one digit, and then we have those two numbers. So later we just add up these two things, these two numbers, yeah. So we have 1460 plus 7300, and then the result will be 0, 6, and then this one 7, and this is 8. Okay, let's do the, how about if we just do the multiplication all at once? Yeah, so we do not break it down. So let's see. Yeah, this is the normal way. 4 times 5 is 20. We have 2 carry over. 4 times 6 is 24 plus the 2 carry over. Plus the 2 carry over, it become 26. We have the 2 again. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus the 2 become 14. And then we go to the second digit, right? We need to deal with the second digit. So this one we will write the result in the second line. So remember, this one we deal with the 2 over here. 2 is in the tens place, and 10 means you have 1 0. So let me just write down the 0 with red color, and then let's do the multiplication. 2 times 5 is 10. We have 1 carry over. 1 carry over, and then 2 times 6 is 12 plus the 1 is 13, and then you have 1 carry over here. 2 times 3 is 6 plus the 1 is 7. Now, and then you add up, and then you see the result. Okay, yeah, so you see, right, the result is the same. If I just draw it with different color, I draw lines, you see the result. Now, and then for this 1460, you see this one is in the first line, 7300 is in the second line. Okay, so you can see this is how we do the multiplication of two digits number. And then you see, right, if you cannot do it like this, why don't you just break down the multiplication into two parts, and then you solve it one by one, right? Because I saw that some students have difficulties to do it all at once like this. So that's why if you cannot do it like this now, it's better that you break down into two like this, and then you combine it together and solve the problem. So this is how we solve problems in life also. So if we see that the problem is so big, we need to break down the problem to small pieces, and then we solve it one by one, and then we combine the solution, and then we have the whole solution. Okay, yeah, so this is how we do the multiplication. Hope that you understand how to do it. If you do, why I use the red over here is just to make sure that you do not put the result in the wrong place. Yeah, so you have to remember, for the second line you have the red, put the first zero first over here in the ones place. And then why I do put the zero over here, you see, because I need to deal with the number only, right? And then after I deal with the number, multiplication with this number, and then I just add the zero, and then you see the red zero here. Okay, so that's it. That's all for today. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Go through this video again if you do not understand. Okay, I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, bye bye.